focus on this base system concept. So in this base systems, okay, those who are from EC or maybe we can say electrical or any circuit branch students, they have one separate chapter for this. Okay, remaining branches also easily can understand. You need bit focus, that's it. So in base systems, okay, they generally people will learn decimal system. I'll let you know what is all this. Decimal system, there is something called binary system, octal system, hexadecimal system. This comes under number system topic only, and recently in GATE exam and SSC jobs and some placements also they are focusing on this area. That's what we are learning from this. So decimal system is in your real life. Let's say your mobile number. In mobile number, what numbers are allowed? What digits are allowed in mobile number? 0 to 10, anything is allowed, right? So decimal system, actually here we will put 10, that is called as base. The numbers allowed is 0 to 10. You can take. You can use any digits from 0 to 9. This is what your real life while using the numbers calculation, everything we are doing in decimal only. Whereas binary system, where systems are using zeros and ones, base is 2, okay, they are using zeros and ones only allowed. Octal system, we call base is 8 and the numbers allowed is from 0 to 7. Octal system, base is 8. Sir, I don't know what is the meaning of octal. No worry, in exam I'll show the questions given in exam. Then mentioning the base is 8. When this is called base. When this is 8, no, means allowed 0 to 7 only. That point at least you keep in mind. Okay, base is 2 means here 0 to 1 only allowed. Hexadecimal system, not they're asking any aptitude related exams, but those who are from circuit branches, they have a subject in that they're going to learn hexadecimal system. Base is 16 and here they use 0 to 9, A to F. 0 to 9, how many digits are there? 10 digits, 0 to 9. A to F is 6 letters. Okay, total 16. So where they are using this, okay, at least the sections with 2 or maybe branches with minimum 2 sections, you people know. When roll number is, let us say for EC students, roll number 499, okay, 4 is the branch code for EC. Next number, what is next number? 4A0 they are using because branch code should not disturb. Okay, instead of 10 they use the letter A. Instead of 11 they are using B. Okay, that's what hexadecimal system, that is roll numbers they are using hexadecimal system. For 120 roll number, no, you know they are given 4B0. 4A1 means, okay, so this is 110. Okay, 4C0 is for 120. Okay, see, so let us say 120 student is there in that branch, then they give 4C0, 4C1 like that. C stands for 12 there, 120. B stands for 11, 110, 4B1, 4B2, so on up to 4B9, then 4C0, so on up to 4C9. Likewise, the roll numbers they'll start A1, so on up to A9. Okay, here they are using hexadecimal system. That's actually not required for my subject. That is there in digital electronics subject. There you can find, but that's not required for me. Just for your understanding purpose. And why I said, okay, those circuit branch students also need to focus. You people learning only these things: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. But in exams, they are giving septal system also. Don't worry about the word septal. 7. When 7 is there, what is here allowed? 0. That point sufficient for me. Whether any branch, I want this point first of all. The remaining things I can set, no issues. This is called hexa system. Hexa system will allow from 0 to 5. Right, so septal system. So all this they can ask here. In exam, base 5 also will be there. Okay, so it's not about only octal, decimal or binary. We need to learn all these things. So point 1, so far I want only one thing. Okay, if it is base is 10, the values allowed is 0 to 9. If base is 8, values allowed is 0 to 7. If base is 6, values allowed. Base is 7, values allowed 0 to 6. This is point 1 you have to know. Second point, any decimal system to other system, any other base, how to do, or any other base to decimal system, how to convert. Okay, this they asked recently in GATE exam also. Decimal number you need to convert into octal. They given in GATE 2024. Okay, so you need to convert that. So they given that in aptitude, not in course your department. They given in under aptitude how to convert decimal system to any other system. Let us say this is the question actually they given. Everyone keep in mind this is the question given in GATE 2024. Decimal system you need to convert into octal system. What is the value? So one thing no, when base is reduced, keep in mind, see here, base value reduced, inside value will increase. Because you can consider like this, there are 108 students, each one with 10 weight. Now I want same weight, but each one with 8 means I need more people, right? Like that you can consider. The value should be now more inside. 108 students, each one weight 10. Let us say, for example, is there now same weight required, but each one 8 means I need more people. Inside value will be more. Sir, how to convert any decimal system to octal system or any other system is, okay, decimal system to any other system is, you have to divide with that base 8. So when you divide this with 8 now, what will happen? 8 1 times 8 and still 28 means 3 times 24, remainder is 4. Then 8 1 times and remainder here 5, 154. I said value will increase inside. From back to front we need to note down. Those are from civil and mechanical focus. This is from 154 you have to write. From back to front we need to write. This is from any decimal system to this is from decimal system to any other system. Sir, I want to convert this into base 7. Base is still decreased. See, this is the example. Decimal to base 7. Right? So what to do? How to convert? We have to divide with 7. Okay. 721 times 140, 2 times 14. Still 9 is the 1 times 7. 2 remainder. Then 7 3 times 21 remainder. Answer is 302. 302 option A. This is from decimal system to any other system. Septal or any other system. This is we have to divide. No sir, I want base 7 to base 10 reverse. Then what to be done? Any other system to decimal, how to convert? Okay, I'll teach that. Then very important things will come into picture. Okay, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to add. We are going to learn all those. Here, okay, base is B to a decimal system, any base to decimal system. Suppose I have something in basics, 150 with basics, I need to convert into decimal. Now base value increase, inside value will decrease. Instead of 150 I will get less value. But how to convert this sir? Or this is 150, okay, 250 let us say, or 253, some other value like, yeah. 253 with basics I need to convert into decimal or any base to that decimal. First here 3 into 6 power 0, 3 into 1 directly, then 5 into 6 power 1, 2 into 6 square. This is what you need to do. To convert into decimal system, so you need to multiply with 6 power 0, 6 power 1, 6 square. Sir, base is 7 sir. 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 square. You need to multiply with 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 square. So any other system to decimal you want to convert means this is the procedure. So 6 power 0 is 1 always. We got 3. Here 30. Here 36 into 2, 72. 75 and 30, if I am not wrong, 105. You check here value decreased inside. Base value increased, inside value will decrease. This is very, very basic discussion. Okay. Any decimal system to any other system or any other system to decimal system, how to do this conversion. They're asking this in exam under aptitude. Okay, now let us see next question. You have some learning going forward. This is all basic. Right, so see this. Okay, now you are going to learn something new. Okay, those who are from circuit branches also, I think you people have some good learning point here. Basics you need to add. Result you ignore. I want in basics only. The result also given. This is only for your learning. Now see, there is a good point you people can learn here. Basics means values allowed is from. Values allowed from. What is 2 plus 4? 6. Can I write 6? 6 is not allowed. What do you have to do now? 6 should be written as 1 0. Why, sir? 6 1 6 0 reminder. 0 to 5, 6 should be written as 1 0. 7 is 1 1. Because you are not allowed to use 7. You are not allowed to use 8. Okay, sir, why 1 0? Try to get the point. 2 plus 4 is 6. Base is 6 means 6 is not allowed. Then you need to convert as 1 0. Then what is this, sir? 4 to 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1? 7 as 1 1. Why, sir? Same. 6 1 7. 6 1 6. We have 1 reminder 1 1. Again 5 plus 1 plus 1? 7 1 0. 3 plus 4 plus 1? 8 1 2. 8 is not allowed here directly. 6 1 2 is the remainder. Because why 8 not allowed? Base is 6, greater than 6. It's not allowed. This is direct addition. Those who are from circuit branches, okay, may be done with one chapter also. Generally what you people do, you convert that into decimal, getting the addition, the result is in decimal, then converting that to basics is what people are doing. That's allowed in university exam, where half an hour for one question and all. But here hardly 1 or 2 minutes. How to solve that questions matter. You can do directly that. Addition, okay. Subtraction you can learn lot and lot. Subtraction, if your value is less, what you people do? We'll take some borrow. What value you are taking borrow? We call like 1. Normally you are taking like borrow 1 from other like that, right? But it's not 1. What is that? You are the basic you are going to understand today. What we know in childhood, we are borrowing something, but that also you are going to learn. This is a different system. Base is 6. I hope you understand this. And this question, base 5, but I want subtraction. The result also in base 5. Guys, can 2 subtract from 3? Is it possible? No. Now what you need to do? You need to borrow, right? See, generally, okay, before this 1 second, let me go with this. Okay, what we do here, 2 cannot be subtracted from 9. We'll take borrow. How much borrow you got? Actually, what is this is called decimal system. Normally we are using which system? Decimal system. Here it is 0. You are giving 10 to this. It's not 1. 10. 10 plus 2 is what? 12. That's why we taken 1 borrow. It's not 1 borrow, it's 10. Base is 10. Here what is the base? This should be reduced by 1. When you given borrow, 5 is added here. That's what good point you can learn. 7 minus 3? 4. Okay. Then now can 1 subtract from 4? No. What do you have to do? We have to borrow. This is decreased by 1. But how much value is added here? 5 added, 1 is there, 5 added means 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Okay, 3 minus 2, 1. So 124. Some people may have a doubt. I just opened directly, okay, base system related stuff. Base system calculator, I'll show you the direct subtraction. So this is what we take in base 5. What you subtracted, base is 5, right? Okay. What is the first value? 4? 22. We did subtraction. Other value? 243 equates. The result we need to check here. 124. We can see that we did directly. General procedure, what they do, you need to convert this into base 10, that base 5 convert into decimal system, this one decimal system, subtracting decimal, which is very familiar to you, then getting the answer in decimal, converting again into base 5. That's all big story. But you can do directly like this. Not only addition, not only subtraction, we have multiplication as well. I'll show next example with multiplication. And going forward, what is my next level is, you need to decide the base. I'll give addition of this is answer so and so. What is the base you need to decide? Base you need to decide from that. We'll see that way also. I hope you understand this one. And this question, dear, 346 with base 7, you need to multiply with 4 with base 7. The result should be in base 7 only. How to do this here? What is 6 4 times? 24. Is it more than 7 or less than 7? Is not allowed. So we should divide 24 with 7. 7 3 times 21, remainder 3. So put 3 here, 1 3 here. What is 4 4 times? 16. Is it allowed? 16. No, 16 not allowed. Okay, or 16 plus 3, 19. You divide by 7. 19 not, carry is 3, right? 4 4 times 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 not allowed in 7. It is less than 7 means allowed. More than 7 not allowed. You can cross if I'll show the calculator which is online. It's not in my control also. 7 2 times 5 remainder. So 5 here, 2 here. 4 3 times 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Is 14 less than 7? No. So we should divide with 7. So we have to write as 20. So result is 2053. Base is 7 here. Result is 2053. See, suppose I got 2 into 3 somewhere. 2 into 3, 6 is allowed. I can write directly. So when I can write direct, sir? When the result is 6, you allowed. When result is 5, directly allowed. But result is 20. Some people will argue, sir, 20 means 210 allowed, sir. It's not separately 210. It's a 20 combined number. 20 different, 20 is different. It separate means okay, but 20 getting result directly 24. Some people will argue like that, sir. 24, sir. 2 is allowed, 4 is allowed. Why can't you do that, sir? No, 24 is more than 7. I have to divide by 7. If you have doubt now, we'll check the result. Anything you try, okay, just now we already used the calculator, right? So we convert base as 7. What is this first number? 346 multiplied by 4. Calculates 2053. We got the same, so our procedure is correct. Okay, you just check it out. Things. Okay, I'm just asking you to verify here itself. So addition you did, subtraction, multiplication, series. Okay, directly in that base 7 only. Directly in base 5, directly in base 6. I'm not asking you to convert into decimal and doing. Generally, if you follow any university related books and all, university exam related, they'll convert all. Because the lengthier the procedure, the more marks you will get. More time you spend. So, but here the situation is different. Now the challenge begins. with certain base, you don't know what is the base, you don't know what is the base, calculate the base, then with the same base, what is the addition they are asking? This is excellent question. You don't know what is the base, they given the result already, right? Now guys, see, 137 plus 254 normal addition how much? Normally if you do decimal, 137 plus 254. Normally if you add, what will be happen? 391. But here value is more than that, right? Value is more than that means base is less than 10. Normal addition 391, but I have value inside is more than that, means base is less. When base is less, then only value inside more. The value is less than base 10, right? So fine, base is not 10. Now what is 7 plus 4? 11, ending with 1, but here ending with 2. Answer base is 9. Completed. How base 9, sir? 7 plus 4 how much? 11. 11 is allowed in 9. Base 9. No. What do you have to do? 9 once. Reminder. I have to write as 1, 2. What is 3 plus 5 plus 1? Is 9 allowed in base 9? What do you have to do? 1, 0 we have to write. 1, 0. What is 1 plus 2 plus 1? 4 is allowed in base 9. Directly 4. Base is 9. Your job is not completed. With that same base, we need to do the addition. Maybe at least first part they will give 137 plus 254 equal to 402 with certain base. Find base. At least they may ask that also. Okay, but here I am extending bit. Okay, you need to add and you have to give the result. What is 2 plus 2? 4. 4 is allowed in base 9. What is 4 plus 6? 10 can be written as 1, 1. In base 9, 10 is written as 1, 1. What is 3 plus 5 plus 1? 9 is written as 1, 0. 9 is not allowed in base 9. We have to write as 1, 0. Base we came to know as 9. How, sir? That is where you need to bring your concept. Check it out. Are you getting my point? If suppose here 3 is there now, then base is 8, I have to say. 11, 8, when you divide by 8, I have to write as 1, 3. Then here I will put 3, then here 1. That thought process you require. So why can't base is 11 or 12 or 13? Yes, base 11, 12, 13 also there. If you want base 11, value should be less than 391. You did normal addition, right? Decimal addition. Decimal addition is 391. If value is inside that is less than, okay, 391, then base may be 11, 12, 13 like that. But more than, so base is less than 10. This will take some time for you people to understand. This is a new concept, especially for civil and mechanical students, but still you people can handle. I am giving you simple tricks. This question in your textbooks will be done in a different way. They'll form a equation, b square plus 3b plus 7. Here 2b square plus 5b plus 4 equal to 4b square plus 0 plus 2. B square quadratic equation will come. B positive negative will come. Positive only allowed. There are a lot of stuff involved. And one question subtraction also I kept. 645 with certain base. Subtract 378 with certain base. The result is 256 with certain base. To make things easy for you, minus can be sent to that side, positive. This is okay, I hope. Try in this way, don't put your, maybe waste your time. Subtracting will take time, right? That minus term sent to other side, it will become plus. Okay. Now what is 8 plus 6? 14 they given as 5. 15 means base is 9. 7 plus 5 plus 1? 13. They given as 14. Base is 9. 3 plus 2 plus 1? 6 allowed. 14. There 15. Here it is 13. They given as 14 already. Base is 9. Okay. How many of you are getting that point? It's okay. Check it out once. Now what should be there? 13 minus 6. Is it 13 minus 6? What should be the carry? Yeah, 12 minus 6. 6. Then this become already 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Directly. It is not 13 minus 6. You have 327 also wantedly kept. But it's not 1 carry. It's 9 plus 3, 12. It's not 13. Decimal system means 10 plus 3, 13 will become. But why plus 9? That reason I hope today you got updated with that simple point as well. We'll close with only one question. Sorry for that late. One question. I think this can be done from your end. That's not a big deal. Yeah, this question I am worrying about. 44 multiplied by 11 with certain base. The result is 1034. Okay, review about remaining part. I want at least what is that base value. This is multiplication. Because addition, subtraction, you may have some point. But now how to do, sir? What is 44 into 1? Okay, here also 44, right? 4. Here 4 is there. What is 4 plus 4? 8. But here they given something 3. Means base is 5. 4 plus 4? 8. But they given 3 and something extra. Means 8 divided by 5. 8, 5 ones, 5, 3 remainder. What is 4 plus 1? 5. 5 is not allowed in base 5. 1, 0. Base is 5. But how simply you are trying to find that, or what is the methodology you are able to find? This is one separate chapter actually for circuit branch students having digital electronics or digital logic design or STLD with different names. Let's say this. Clear? Fine.